有一只猫，它叫什么名字？桌子下面有个猫。
那是我的猫，它叫花花。
它很漂亮。
是啊，我觉得它的眼睛最漂亮。
它多大了
？6个多月。
它叫什么名字？它叫花花。
Alright, let's move on to the next language point. Let's look at the first sentence. 我要买几个新的椅子。We've just learned this sentence. I want to buy some new chairs. And the second one. 小猫6个多月了。小猫6个多月了。The cat is over 6 months old. Do you find anything in common between these two sentences? We know he or she is going to buy some new chairs, but we don't know the specific number. Maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. We don't know yet. Also, the cat is over 6 months, but we don't know the specific number of the day. It could be 2 or 7 or 8 or even more. So here we are going to learn the expressions of approximate numbers, especially 几 and 多. In here, 几 can indicate an indefinite number less than 10, followed by a measure word. For example, 几块钱几块钱块 is a measure word. 钱 means money. So 几块钱 means some money less than 10 yuan. 多 can be used together with numeral measure word phrases. When the numeral is less than 10, 多 should be put behind the measure word. The second picture indicates someone slept for more than 6 hours. So we can say 6个多小时。6个多小时。Practice more, you will handle it. See you next class.